Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning English at Home. Today, we will talk about a question many English learners have. The question is, I don't have a teacher. Can I still learn English? Maybe you feel this problem too. Maybe you want to practice speaking, but you do not have a teacher. Maybe you do not have a native speaker friend. Maybe you cannot join an expensive English class. So you think, maybe I cannot learn English. Maybe I will never speak English well. But listen carefully. This feeling is very common. Many English learners feel the same fear. But today, I want to tell you something important. Yes, you can learn English. Yes, you can improve speaking, even without a teacher. You just need the right practice system. Today, we will talk about why speaking English feels difficult, why you do not actually need a teacher, how to practice speaking at home, a simple daily routine, and at the end, we will do a speaking practice together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Why speaking feels difficult. First, let's talk about something honest. Speaking is the hardest English skill. Why? Because when you speak, many things happen at the same time. You must think of vocabulary, use grammar, remember pronunciation, and speak quickly. Your brain works very fast. When you read, it is different. When you read English, you can read slowly. You can stop. You can think. When you write English, you can also stop. You can check grammar. You can change words. But when you speak, you must answer immediately. That is why many learners say, I understand English, but I cannot speak. Maybe you know many English words. Maybe you understand movies. Maybe you understand YouTube videos. But when someone asks, can you tell me about yourself? Your brain suddenly feels empty. You feel nervous. You feel shy. You feel afraid to make mistakes. And then you stop speaking. Does this sound familiar? If yes, do not worry. This is a normal learning stage. You are not bad at English. You just need more speaking practice. Part 2. The real problem. Many learners believe something like this. I need a teacher to learn English. But this idea is not completely true. A teacher can help. A teacher can guide you. But a teacher cannot practice for you. Speaking improves only when you speak. If you only listen to a teacher but never speak, your speaking will stay weak. So the real problem is not the teacher. The real problem is practice system. Many learners do not have a system. They watch videos sometimes. They learn vocabulary sometimes. They study grammar sometimes. But they do not practice speaking every day. Learning becomes random. And random learning brings slow progress. But if you have a simple system, everything changes. A good speaking system has 5 things: listening, repeating, shadowing, answering questions, and recording your voice. These 5 activities help your brain learn speaking naturally. You do not need expensive classes. You only need 10 to 15 minutes every day. Yes, only 10 minutes. But the key word is every day. Part 3. The ready problem. There is another problem many learners have. They say, I will speak when my English is better. But here is the truth. Speaking is what makes your English better. You cannot wait to become ready. You must speak first. Think about children learning language. Do children speak perfect grammar? No. Children make many mistakes. But they speak again and again. Slowly, they improve. English learners must do the same thing. You do not need perfect English. You only need simple English. For example, you can say, my name is Nam. I live in Vietnam. I like coffee. I study English every day. These sentences are simple, but they are real speaking practice, and simple speaking builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency. Now, let's talk about something important. Many learners feel embarrassed. They feel shy to speak English. Maybe they worry about mistakes. Maybe they worry people will laugh. Because of this fear, they avoid speaking. But here is good news. You can practice speaking alone at home. You can create a safe practice place. And your best practice tool is simple. Your phone. Your phone can become your teacher. How? By recording your voice. When you record your voice, something interesting happens. You hear your pronunciation. You notice mistakes. You notice unclear words. Then you can repeat and improve. This process is powerful. Speak, record, listen, repeat. This becomes your private speaking coach, and you can do it anywhere, at home, in your room, during a walk, or before sleeping. No teacher needed, just practice. Now, I want to show you a very simple daily plan. This plan takes only 10 to 15 minutes. Not overnight, but step by step. Now, let's practice together. Please speak after me. Ready? Repeat. Hello. My name is. I am learning English. I practice English at home. I want to speak English better. Nice to meet you. Very good. Now try to say this by yourself. Record your voice. Speak for 20 seconds. You can say, Hello, my name is. I am learning English at home. I want to improve my speaking. Nice to meet you. Great job. Remember, you do not need to learn forever. You just need the right routine. And a place where you can practice every day. That is why Learning English at Home was created. A place for learners like you. Learners who want to speak. Learners who want confidence. Learners who practice every day. Before you finish this episode, try this challenge. Comment and say, I will practice English speaking every day, and record your introduction today. Just 20 seconds. Your speaking journey starts now. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing. And remember, small practice every day creates big progress. Goodbye.